The 2020 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. Indian Motorcycle carried over its popular Chieftain Dark Horse into MY2020 with much the same custom panache, but repowered it with the new Thunderstroke 116 engine. Classic historical touches abound on this ride for a healthy dose of nostalgia, but of course, it rocks all of the factory's electronic fandanglery to make it a thoroughly modern machine. Whether you want to do some light touring or just do some boulevard cruising, the 2020 Chieftain Dark Horse brings something to the table for you. 2020 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse design. Nobody can pull off the bagger look quite like a bona fide US mark, and Indian Motorcycle has the experience to do it right. Nobody can pull off the bagger look quite like a bona fide US mark, and Indian Motorcycle has the experience to do it right. America's oldest motorcycle manufacturer draws on its own deep design roots for a number of historical references on the Chieftain Dark Horse, but none are quite as effective in drawing us back in time than the war bonnet fender ornament that proudly rides atop the front fender. The fender itself copies the upper dimensions of the old-school sheet metal with a full-length outer arc. However, the factory dropped the full skirt valance in favor of a high and tight look that exposes most of the contrasting black and Polish front wheel.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.